Do you struggle with the habit of overthinking? Are your thoughts constantly racing and you just can't seem to stop them? In today's video, we'll explore the Overthinking Cure. This book offers simple strategies to overcome overthinking and live a peaceful life, so make sure to watch till the end. Did you know that overthinking can seriously impact our decision-making and how it can become our mind's worst enemy? Let's dive into the amazing techniques from the Overthinking Cure that can help us find relief. Chapter 1. Understanding Overthinking. The first part of this book dives into the psychology behind overthinking. Overthinking means the habit of repeatedly dwelling on the same thoughts. Understanding how harmful this habit can be for our mental health is crucial. The author explains how overthinking pulls us away from our goals and traps us in a mental loop. Chapter 2. Techniques to control overthinking. Now the question is, how do we get out of this loop? In the second part of the book, the author shares some effective techniques. One of them is mindfulness, recognizing your thoughts and letting them flow without judging them. This helps us stay focused on the present. The author suggests that when we observe our thoughts, we learn to control them better. Chapter 3. Replacing negative thoughts. The next section of the book teaches us how to replace negative thoughts with positive ones. It talks about using positive affirmations, simple, encouraging phrases that can shift our mindset. Saying things like, "I am capable and I am strong," can have a big impact on our mind over time. Chapter 4. Creating healthy habits. To overcome overthinking, the author also emphasizes building healthy habits. These include regular exercise, meditation, and avoiding digital devices before bedtime. These habits can help relax our minds and reduce stress. Incorporating them into our daily routine can make our mind feel much calmer and more organized. Chapter 5. Letting go and acceptance. The author explains that one of the biggest challenges is letting go, learning to release things. When we accept our thoughts as they are, we stop holding on to them so tightly. This process gives us mental peace and a new perspective. Accepting things as they are can help us find inner calm. These were some key lessons from the Overthinking Cure that can help bring simplicity and peace into our lives. If you struggle with overthinking, be sure to try out these techniques. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on more insightful book summaries. Tell us in the comments which chapter of this book impacted you the most. And if you have any other book recommendations, let us know. See you in the next video. And until then, stay positive and take control of your thoughts.